Hi, my name is Kian and this is my dad, Chef Kai.
Hi and welcome to Alaska Fortified Nutri-Recipe videos. Here we will teach you simple, stay-at-home recipes with a fortified twist. It's rainy season na. When I was a kid, may palaging niluluto si nanay tuwing umuulan.
What is it, Dad?
This hearty and classic dish is called champorado.
What?
Champorado. Today, we are making a Pinoy classic. Pero syempre, with a fortified twist. Let's call it Alaska Fortified Classic Champorado.
Okay, Dad, let's go.
Alright, so for the ingredients, hit pause and take a screenshot now. Okay, so first, make sure that your hands are clean. So maghugas muna ng kamay to kill.
Coronavirus!
Okay, now we are ready to cook.
Okay, Dad, let us help.
Okay, so first, bring the water into boil. Put the heat on high para mas mabilis kumulo.
A few moments later. It's boiling na, Dad.
Okay, lower the heat. Then we add our malagkit rice. Just keep on stirring para hindi masunog at dumikit sa pot. This champorado is a good breakfast idea as well as a snack, umulan man o umaraw. Now, let's add our Alaska Fortified. Mix it until ma-dissolve yung milk powder. Alaska Fortified gives kids like you both mental and physical development o yung tinatawag na lakas at talas.
That's great.
Pag medyo malambot na yung rice, it's time for us to add the Tablea Chocolates and sugar.
Just keep mixing until ma-dissolve yung chocolate. Right, Dad? I'm getting good at this.
Correct. And finally, let's add love by adding Alaska Classic Evaporated milk. Our Classic Evap naman has 20 plus essential nutrients, kaya perfect.
I'm excited to try this out.
Once we reach our desired consistency, turn the heat off and it's ready to serve. Let's eat it now while it's warm. But first, let's top it off with some Alaska Fortified and Alaska Evap. There you go.
Here you go.
Thank you. Now, just stir. And it's ready to eat.
Very
So good.
yummy.
Yeah. And the Alaska Evap and the Alaska Fortified help out to balance the bitterness coming from the chocolate. Perfect level of sweetness. So good.
Yup, very yummy.
So, ano pang inaantay nyo? So easy to do, di ba? Pwede magpa-deliver ng Alaska Fortified and Alaska Evap via Shopee or Lazada. Or if safe naman lumabas, meron yan sa suking tindahan. Kung paano kiyan, it's time for us to say goodbye.
Bye!
Bye!